Good morning from Hackensack. Today we're making the avocado toast and all avocado toast. Some kibitzing for my son. Using Costco's basil pesto to start on 2 slices of baguette. Next is some roasted garlic. This is fresh garlic cloves that were roasted in the oven, 350 degrees, and then mashed. Then some Za'Atar spice mixture. It's thyme, sesame seeds, sumac, and salt. I'm going to add some reduced fat Swiss cheese and put this in the under the broiler for a few minutes. So here's the avocado toast from the oven. Add some smoked boiled salmon. And half an avocado on each one. I'll probably eat this with a knife and fork, but I guess you could try to pick it up. Little Mexican style salsa. Also have a green salsa that I used to poach fish last week. So there it is, an avocado toast with pesto, za'atar, roasted garlic, cheese, wild salmon, half an avocado, 2 salsas, and some crushed red Aleppo pepper. Enjoy. Layers of flavor. Delicious.